Hey everyone! Welcome to this beginner-friendly tutorial on C++. Today, we're going to learn some very important fundamentals of C++ programming. How to display output, how to take input from the user, how to add comments to your code. These are essential building blocks of any C++ program, so let's get started step by step. Let's begin with output. In C++, we use cout, which stands for character output, to print something to the screen. To use cout, we first need to include the iostream library at the top of our file, include. Then we add using namespace std. Now, in our main function, we write cout. Hello world. Endl. Here cout is the object that prints text to the screen. Is the insertion operator which sends the string to cout. Endl moves the cursor to the next line after printing. Let's add one more line, cout. This project uses the C++ 17 language standard version. Endl. At end we have another cout, but this time it is for numbers. Not for string. As you can see, we have 2 plus 2, which is simple addition, and it will give us output, which is 4. Pretty simple, right? Now let's learn how to take input from the user. We use the C in object, which stands for character input. Here, we declare an integer variable named age. It will be used to store the age that the user enters. This line prints a message to the screen asking the user to enter their age. This line takes input from the user and stores it in the age variable using cin. This line displays the result. It combines a message with the value entered by the user and ends the line using endl. And it will give output like you are 32 years old. Let's talk about comments. 2 types. Single-line comments. Use this when you want to add a short note about one line of code. Multi-line comments. Use this for longer explanations or to temporarily disable multiple lines of codes. Here we have output of program. Hello, world. This project uses the C++ 17 language standard version. 4. See, the output is not affected by comments, because comments are ignored by the compiler. Comments are used to explain our code. It does not affect our output.